This ENA ignition coil and iridium spark plug set offers a matched package that restores smooth starts and strong acceleration on aging Nissan and Infiniti six-cylinder engines. The coils are built to original equipment standards, so they fit cleanly in place of factory parts and communicate properly with the engine control system. Iridium plugs in the kit provide a hotter, more consistent spark than basic copper plugs, which helps with throttle response and overall fuel efficiency when the rest of the engine is healthy. Coverage for many 3.5-liter V6 Nissan and Infiniti models makes this set a practical choice for owners or shops that regularly service these vehicles. Installation is straightforward for a home mechanic with basic tools, since everything needed for all 6 cylinders comes in one box and the components are clearly matched. Owners report that replacing worn coils and plugs with this ENA set often cures misfires and rough idle, giving the engine a noticeably smoother and quieter character.